feel like this. Only been days, but it feel like months.
So I've been looking for some summer polishes, specifically some summer neon polishes. So I purchased 3 collections off of Amazon: a jelly summer neon, a cat eye one, and then some regular solid cream colors from 3 different brands. I'm going to swatch these colors and see if they give neon. So this video is sped up, but I want you guys to let me know what you think of these collections. Do they give summer? Do you know of any polishes that are super duper just like bright neon that don't cost an arm and a leg? Since I don't really use that many neon colors, I feel like I shouldn't be spending a lot of money on neons, you know, because I don't use them that often. But if you guys think that these are perfect, then let me know. But if you know of any collections that are super just really bright in your face, and it can be cat eye, it can be jellies, it can be cream colors, whatever, just leave them in the comments below. I do know that Dynamic Nail Supply, they have a neon collection and it looks really nice, but I've never tried their gel polishes before. I've seen people use their acrylics, but I have never tried their gels. So if you've ever tried Dynamic Nail Supply's gel polishes, let me know what you think. They do have a regular line and then they have a HEMA free line as well. So I would love your opinions on their gel polishes. I did ask this question on TikTok, and people either said they never tried the brand before, they've only tried their black and their white, or they don't like the acrylics. So I don't use acrylics, so I just wanted to know about the gel polishes. So if you've ever used their polishes, let me know. And you can let me know what you think about their acrylics too, because apparently their acrylics aren't that great. I don't know. You know, we like what we like. So if you love their acrylics, then let me know why you love them in the comments, and maybe somebody will see your comment and decide that, you know what, I'm going to try their acrylics. They've been on the fence about it. Maybe your comment can push them to trying it out. But if you've ever tried their gels, definitely let me know what you think. And if you tried the regular line or the HEMA and TPO free line. Well, I don't know if it's TPO free or if it's just HEMA free. I'm not sure, but I know for sure it's HEMA free. I don't know about the TPO part. So for this first collection of polishes, these were all jellies, and they're summer neon jellies, and they're from Born Pretty. Some of you guys may already have these colors or have this collection, because I know a lot of you guys get PR from Born Pretty. So let me know what you think of this collection if you don't own it. It does give summer, definitely. And I'm going to keep all of the polishes that I got, but I do really like this. I really want to know about some summer cream colors. I don't know. This next collection is cat eye and it's from rarjsm. These are HEMA free. So if you've ever wanted to try out their products, but maybe you only want to buy HEMA free products, these are HEMA free. I don't know if they ever advertise themselves as HEMA free, because I don't ever see it like in the listing on Amazon, but on the box it does say HEMA free. I don't have their SDS sheet to compare what the box say versus what the SDS sheet say, so pretty sure you can probably message them and ask for it, and they will send it right over to you if you need it. Now these cat eyes are really, really nice. I just got some Chez Jailly summer cat eye polishes in the mail. They got delivered yesterday. I haven't swatched them. I did open the bottles and look at them, and if they look too similar to these or to my other cat eyes that I have, like I have a summer cat eye collection from Nails by Dev that I never showed, but I do have one. I just never hauled it. Well, I showed it on TikTok, but just not here in a full-length YouTube video. But once I swatch the Chez Jailly colors, which I will be doing a haul, I'm just waiting for some more stuff to come in, and I'm just going to do one collective haul. It won't just be Temu, it'll be from other stores. So once that comes in, I will swatch them and compare them to the ones I have from Nails by Dev and this. And if any of the colors look way too similar, then I'll probably put them in the giveaway box to give them away, because there's no need for me to have multiple colors that look, you know, exactly the same. But my next giveaway should be happening pretty soon. I've just been filling up a box. It's a red box that I got. It's a mystery box from a brand, and I just kept the box, and I told myself I'm just gonna put stuff in this box. Once the box is completely full, then I'm going to give away the entire box. So it's almost full, so I should be having to give away soon. I've just been putting stuff in there here and there. Whenever I buy something, I try to buy something for me and then buy something for you so I can give it away, you know, eventually once it's full. And it's almost full, and I have a second red box. So once I give that one away, then I'll start filling up the second red box so I can do another giveaway. I do have a few hauls coming up. I got some colors from Ball Pit Nails, which I already showed on TikTok. I already swatched them and everything on TikTok. So if you follow me over there, then you already see it. But I did film a full length video that should be coming out soon. I just have to edit it. And then I have some stuff coming from a couple of other brands. I was thinking about doing another mystery box video. I don't know, you guys let me know if I should buy another mystery box from Etsy from one of the small businesses that I've already purchased from before, or if I should try another mystery box. I know Kanya, Gen Xer Nails Diary, she did a mystery box, and I had seen that brand before, but I had never purchased from them. And then she happened to do a video opening the mystery box, and I was like, this is perfect, because I was actually looking at that exact mystery box. I just didn't buy it. So should I try that one out, because it would be something new? Or should I just stick to one of the, I think I ordered like 3 or 4 mystery boxes off Etsy. Should I just buy another one of those from one of those small businesses, or try something new? If you know a company that does mystery boxes and they specifically have gel polish, it's okay if they have a mixture of like poly gel and acrylic, but you guys know I only use gel polish, so it would definitely have to be mainly gel polish. But yeah, let me know what you think about these cat eyes. I really like them. They're really receptive to the magnet. They're super bright. They're very pretty. I think they're perfect for the summer. But what I really wanted to test out was this next collection from Azure Beauty. Now, I've shown Azure Beauty on this channel before. I did that black and white music note nail video. That was Azure Beauty products. This one is their HEMA free line, and the packaging is so great. Like, you get a little swatch card, and these are all of the colors. They do give summer, but I feel like I can get brighter colors from somewhere else. I don't know, but y'all let me know what you think. This collection is called Neon Shot, and they are HEMA and TPO free, which I said, and these are full-size bottles. So this collection was a little bit more than the other 2 collections. The Born Pretty ones were the mini bottles, and then the rarjsm bottles were kind of like medium size, and then these ones are full-size bottles. I do really love this collection. I saw them swatch it on TikTok, and that's what made me order it. I was like, okay, I'm looking for a neon collection. This is inexpensive, it's within budget, so why not just try it? And I did comment after I got it. I commented on their page, and I was like, I bought this and I have it and I received it, and it was like, make sure you tag us in your video, you know, when you try out the products. I haven't shown these on TikTok, so like, I didn't swatch them for TikTok or anything like that, but I definitely do want to do a nail set with this collection specifically, especially since it's June. I think some very bright rainbow nails would look really nice, and it would be fitting for the month. So if you're still here and you're listening at this point, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Hit the post notification bell if you want to be notified whenever I upload a video. That's up to you, but thank you so much for being here and just watching. Also, did you guys take advantage of any of the Memorial Day sales for clothes, shoes, nail products, makeup, hair care, whatever? Did you take advantage of any Memorial Day sales? What did you get? Because I'm nosy. What did you buy from, and what was the percentage off? I only bought stuff from Ball Pit Nails. They had a sale. Their sale, it was only 20% off, which is not that crazy. But also, Ball Pit Nails, they do not run a lot of sales, and typically their sales are like 20% off, but they don't run a lot of sales. So I just went ahead and bought a collection that I was looking at that had sold out when it first came out, and it came back in stock for pre-order, and now it's back permanently. So I went ahead and got that, and I do really love it. I did swatch it already. There were a few other companies that had Memorial Day sales. I also ordered from Twinkle Tea. that, I don't know if I should swatch that in its own separate video or just add that to my collective haul. I might just give it its own video and then just swatch all of my Twinkle Tea polishes, kind of how I did with the Doper Than Your Nails video, where I swatched what I got new and I swatched what I already had. I might just do one big Twinkle Tea swatch video so it can be kind of like a reference for someone if they want to see some of the colors. Now I don't have all their colors, but I have a lot of them. And I also purchased from Liz Renee, who is a very talented nail artist who I've been following for a very, very long time. And she followed me on TikTok and she was on a live and she was saying how her website, she was running this crazy sale and it's not a sale that she normally runs. And it was 45 or 40% off her whole site. So I got some products because I never tried her brand before. But yeah, this is the end of the video. I wasn't expecting to talk through the whole video, but yeah, this is the end. It's a short video. Let me know what you think about these 3 collections. Do you like them? Do they give summer? Which one is your favorite? I wanted to try a little bit of everything, you know, cat eye, cream, and some jellies. I think with this cream collection, I feel like I can find a collection that have brighter colors than this. I think I can go brighter. I did paint the bottom side matte, so you can see this is what they look like when they're matte, and then on the other side is just the top of the nail, so then you can see what it looks like glossy. I think it's a great way to swatch colors. Since these colors do not go into a swatch book, I just swatch them on a swatch wheel. The only thing that goes in the swatch book is like some of my other small businesses and then my Korean polishes and D&D. So I don't swatch the things like Gaui and Born Pretty and stuff in my swatch book. But yeah, anyway, thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know your favorite neon polishes. Like, what company makes your favorite neon polishes? Just let me know in the comments and maybe I'll check them out. And yeah, I'm really excited for all of the summer nail sets. Some of you have already been doing some summer nail sets and I've been watching your videos and everybody's amazing as always, but I definitely want to know, like, what is your favorite neon collection? Because I think with those creams from Azure Beauty, they're bright, especially the green and the yellow. They're super bright, but I think there's something out there where I can get brighter. Or should I just bite the bullet and try Dynamic Nail Supply, even though I never tried it before, and then I can do a video and let you guys know what I think about the polishes, you know? Because I don't really see people talk about their gels. People either love or hate their acrylics, but I never really hear people talk about their gel polishes, at least not here on YouTube. When you Google them or when you search them here on YouTube, you really just see mostly acrylic, a couple gel videos, but it's mostly acrylic. But thanks for watching again. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you or you'll see me in the next one. Bye.
Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I